Hey y'all, Kaya here of WayUpGoodies, and before we start, we just want to send you all some positive vibes and some virtual hugs during this COVID-19 mess. Hope you all are hunkering down and safe and keeping your loved ones safe. Don't forget to check on all the old folk and babies, okay? So today we are making peanut butter cookies. It's raining here. We have a stay-at-home order in place now. So we're gonna make some peanut butter cookies. This recipe is really easy, super simple. Not only does it has canna butter, which is like, you know, that's what we're here for. It has peanut butter and it's a small batch recipe, so it's gonna make about 3 to 5 cookies depending on the size. We didn't want to have 30 cookies sitting around. So first we have, let's get into some ingredients. First we have some of our canna butter here. That's our wax infused canna butter. Of course, peanut butter. Try not to use the natural peanut butter because the oil separates, and after like day 2, if you don't eat all of your cookies, it's gonna be like kind of weird and like crumbly. It's weird. So yeah, no all natural peanut butter, or do it but eat them fast. We have 1 egg yolk, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We have 3 tightly packed tablespoons of brown sugar, and we're going to put a little bit of nutmeg. I highly recommend putting just a dash of nutmeg in your peanut butter cookies. You will thank me. We're gonna do a dash of vanilla, about a 1/4 teaspoon of that, and then a pinch of kosher salt. All right, let's do this. So first we are going to take our butter, partially melted butter, okay? Get that in there. We have our brown sugar. So we are using light brown sugar, but if you have dark brown sugar, I recommend you use the dark brown sugar. It's just a rich, delicious taste. Okay, mixy mixy. I'm gonna add my pinch of salt. Okay, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. That's like a 1/4. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Ooh. Get a spoon. And you want to mix this by hand, especially when you put the egg in. You do not want to overwork your egg. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Well, alright. Now, some buttery, sugary goodness. We're gonna add our peanut butter. Now you can use the all natural peanut butter if you like. That's up to you. But I've read somewhere that you have to take out some of your butter. I don't know how true that is. If you do that, let me know. Okay, get that mixed in. Okay. gonna add our egg. Get up in there. Okay. Just kind of incorporate so that you don't overmix your egg. Okay. We have our baking soda. Mix. Okay. And then our flour. Not all at once. Sorry about the snoring dog. She in a deep, self-isolated nap, as I hope many of you have been doing. Getting your nap time in. Any of you home with kids, you can make this recipe with regular butter for those little crumb snatchers, and then, you know, make you some medicated so you can handle them. Okay, so we're gonna mix. I'm gonna add a dash of my nutmeg. I'm gonna add a little more dash of that. Here, gotta add it. Oh, that smells good. Alright, let's see. Just so you know, I don't want to waste it. Alright, so we're just gonna mix this. Or combine, not really mix. Okay. Ooh. Y'all smell that? It smells like peanut butter and cannabis. Like my two favorite things. Oh, besides you, baby.
Oh, please.
But you're not really a thing. You're a person.
Are you sure?
If you want to be a thing, hey. Alright, that looks good. Now, okay. So we have our cookie dough all mixed up. I'm gonna use a melon baller to make my cookies so that they're all the same size or similar size. So we have here a ordinary cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Oh, that's a cookie. Hopefully it's a cookie. Okay. So you can make them whatever size you want. It's up to you. Whatever floats that boat. But when I made them, they were big before. When I made them before, they were kind of big. So we're gonna go with this size here. So the idea is that they will flatten as they cook, but sometimes that don't happen. We're gonna have to give it a little help. I'm flattening it a bit, just lightly, not too much. This just helps the cookie to cook. Because we've got butter, we've got peanut butter, which already has oil in it. Okay, and our oven is on 350, and you're gonna pop these in the oven for about 5 minutes. I want soft baked peanut butter cookies. All right, and we're gonna give it 5 minutes.
Do we set a timer for 5 minutes?
Yeah, actually I'm gonna do 6 minutes. I'm gonna do, oh damn, that's 10. 6 minutes, and check them. And if they're not done, we're gonna give them a couple more minutes. All right, be back. All right, so we're back, and it's been 6 minutes. So we're gonna check our cookies. They don't really look like they're ready. So what you want is around these edges to just turn golden brown, not burnt. You know, just to start turning. So what was that, 6 minutes? I'm gonna do 3 more minutes. So that's been about 9 minutes. Oh yeah, that's it. Look, the edges. Golden brown. I'm gonna touch this one even though you shouldn't. Don't touch your cookies unless you want to. So we're gonna leave it to cool on this rack. We're gonna turn the oven off and we're gonna let it go. Let it cool. Be patient. Damn. Be patient and then I'll touch it. Okay, we're gonna let that cool though. And there we have it. Infused small batch peanut butter cookies. Soft. Oh, they're good. Wait, I wanna. Let's see. Delicious. So, super easy. Again, we got about 6 cookies. You can make 2 cookies, 1 giant peanut butter cookie. Is up to you. Don't forget to share your recipes. And again, we hope you all are doing well during this crazy time with this virus out here. Stay safe, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us comments saying hey. All right, peace. Ain't that good?